Hi, I'm Lisa with Lisa's Garden Therapy, and today we're going to work in a yard that I actually planted last March. A lot of things, as you can see, did well and took off perfectly. A couple of things didn't, especially during the heat wave. So what we're doing today is we are planting what I call fillers. We have a drip system in this yard, so it's important obviously to plant where the drip system is and they're going to get water. And when you transplant, you always need to put in some vitamin B right after you dig the hole, before you plant the plant. And what that does is help the plant with transplant shock. So as you can see here, I dug the hole, I put in the vitamin B, I mix that with water, before I start. And then all you want to do is you want to take your plant. In this case, we got some heuchera, and I have 3 different types here. And we're going to plant that. We're going to stick that in the hole, throw in our dirt, only halfway. You only want to put the dirt in like halfway. And then what you want to do is you want to put in a little bit more vitamin B around the root ball. Let that kind of sink in. And fill it up with dirt all the way, and you are good to go. And then you're going to do that with the rest of your grouping.